Another useful tool in Adobe Firefly is vector generation, and you have two different options. We would like to go with text to vector, and you have different options here. For the content type, if you want to make an object like, for example, an apple, a cat, a table, or things like that, you should select subject. But if you're working on your background or a scene or landscape, actually you can select scene here. And you can use a picture as a reference to make the vector you generated based on the style of that image. And you can choose between different effects here, and color and tones could be selected within these features you have here. So for the prompt, you can describe the vector you'd like to generate here. And previously, I created one prompt to make a box with different layers with a sky background with orange and purple color scheme. And it actually set on scene. And I would like to go with isometric. And for the color and tone, maybe vibrant colors. And then click generate button here to see what happens. Here are the four options we can see when it created the vectors, and you can select just one of them. And I think this one is a little bit complicated. Add like minimal keyboard to make it like with less elements. And I would like to delete the sky background to see what happens. Okay, for example, I like this one, and I would like to work on my project with this vector. So you have different options here. You can use this as a style reference and make and generate more vectors with this style, or you can just download it. And when you download this file, you can see it's saved as SVG here, or you can hit this button here and copy this VG file here, and then open Illustrator and just press Ctrl V or Command plus V in Mac. When you do this, you can see that you have access to different layers of this vector, and you can modify it as much as you want. You can rotate these or move these or delete this, anything you want. So you can change the colors. So it's a great tool for you to directly enter the image or the vector you generated in Adobe Illustrator and continue working on your project.